Good morning. To set up the Orboot globe, first we have to get into the app. And the app's already downloaded in all the year groups, student iPads. So it is right here. It says Orboot. So we click it. Once we're in, the first time
Let's spin Orboot!
we have to, first time we'll have to go ahead and
Hand
type
over the
in
device to
some
your
information.
elders and let them set up.
Okay, and we sync it in English. So we select the country, and actually there is Taiwan in here. Oh, there it is, Taiwan. And the email ID for each year group, I've set up an ID. So what we do is type bps.tech, and then depends on your year group. If it's year 1, then it's 01. If it's year 2, then it's 02, so on. So for this iPad, it is actually a year 2 iPad. So I put 02 at, and then it's just the regular email. Okay, so bps.tech, number at TESTPEDUTW. I have read, log in, and proceed. So, first thing we have to do is we have to add a profile. And because for some reason it only allows you to add 3 profiles, so I was not able to add per class. Otherwise, it would be perfect if it's 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. But that's all we can do. So we just put year 2. So for this one's year 2, so that means it's grade, first grade. Oh, and the name, we just put year 2. It won't allow you to put a number, so just put TWO, save. And then we can proceed. And that's it for setting up. And it will start initializing. And then you can go on to another iPad. We have to set every one of these up in order for it to work. Thank you for watching.